Hey everyone, this is Andrew Ty and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get Genshin Impact running on Steam Deck on the SteamOS. So this is the Windows version of Genshin Impact running on the Linux operating system with all of the standard Steam menus up and running on the SteamOS side of the Steam Deck. So today I'm going to show you how to go ahead and install this. So if you haven't subscribed already, then please consider subscribing. It only takes a moment to do, but you'll be really helping to support this channel and the work that I do. What we're going to do is to install this thing called an anime game launcher. So I'm going to leave a link to this in the description of this GitHub page. And basically what this does is that it provides a launcher that's compatible with Linux, and it basically comes as a Flatpak. So what we need to do is to add Flatpak support. So I'm going to copy this line here, which is going to come on the Flatpak part of this page. Then what we're going to do is to go to Steam Deck and then type in console, KONSOLE. And then we're going to paste that command in and press return. And this basically adds this repo. And here we're going to add this next line and paste it into here and press return. Here I'm going to type in my password. So if you haven't set your password already, you can just go ahead and type in PASSWD, and then you can create a new password for your computer. And then the next thing is that we're going to do is to install this launcher. So now I'm going to go ahead and paste the last line, press return. Type in Y and press return. So this is going to download the launcher file from the Windows version of Genshin Impact. So it's 135 megabytes, just let that run. So this is only the initial part of Genshin Impact. Once the launcher launches, then we'll be able to go ahead and install the rest of it. So now we're going to go to the Discover Center. I'm going to find in the installed applications. So here we've got the anime game launcher, and then I'm going to press the launch button here. So here we've got a terms of service violation warning. So this patcher actually bypasses the anti-cheat of Genshin Impact. And so if you do use this launcher, then you risk having your account banned. So therefore we have this very long disclaimer. So if you want to test this out yourself, then what I'd recommend that you do is to use an account which you're not attached to, maybe create a new account just for the purposes of testing out Genshin Impact. As far as we're aware, I believe that no one has been banned for doing this yet, but it could be that people get banned retroactively in the future. Who knows what will actually happen for this? However, this comes at your own risk. So here I'm going to click I understand the risk. I'm going to click install wine. So now that those dependencies are installed, I'm going to press the install button here. And it's going to go ahead and install the main launcher. So this is 25 gigabytes, so this might take a bit of time. It just depends on the speed of your internet connection. One thing that I recommend that you do is make sure that the Steam Deck doesn't turn off while we're in the middle of a download on desktop mode. And this install will take several hours. So I'll go to system settings here, and then we're going to go down to power management. When we're on AC battery, what I do recommend you do is disable the suspend session, because if this is on, then it means that it's going to turn off after, say, 10 minutes by default, and then your download will stop in the middle of it. Click apply, and so you'll be able to carry on downloading Genshin Impact and unpacking all of the voices, etc. without being interrupted. So once all of the downloads have finished, we have this apply patch button here. So just remember that this patch is going to apply an anti-cheat patch to Genshin Impact, and if you do log in with this patch, then there's a potential for being banned. However, no one's been banned yet, but do this at your own risk. So now we're applying and downloading the patch, and now we are ready to launch. So I'm going to press the launch button here. So now I'm going to enter my username and password. And once we've solved the CAPTCHA and entered our verification code, we're now going to agree to all of the terms of service and press accept. And now we're going to enter our game here. Here we're going to press start the game. So now that we're in the game, it's probably a good idea to switch to controller modes. So I'm going to go to the settings menu here. Then we're going to change the controller type to controller. So normally I'll switch the system confirm cancel buttons to the more standard Western method. So the B is cancel. So we've got this set at high, so I can hear the fans going at full tilt. I'm actually going to set this to medium. It does feel a bit better. So now what we're going to do is to flip this over to the Steam gaming mode side so that we can launch this directly from the Steam side and we can get all of our menu buttons working. So to add the launcher, what I'm going to do is to press the Steam button here, and then I'm going to do a search for anime game launcher. Then we're going to right click on this, and then I'm going to click add to Steam. And then we're going to click on anime game launcher here, and we're going to click add selected programs. Then I'm going to double click on return to gaming mode. So now that we're in the gaming mode, I'm going to hit the Steam button and go to library, and then we're going to find our non-Steam games here. So we have our alternate launchers, but we have the anime game launcher here. So now I'm going to press the play button here to launch the anime game launcher. Now I'm going to go ahead and press launch. So now that that's done, we're going to start the game. We're now going to enter the door. So we're now back in the game in game mode. If I press the quick action menu here, we have all the standard Steam stuff on side. and then we can access the Steam menu here as well. And then we also have the performance metrics here as well. So this is something that you can enable on the actual launcher itself, but you can also do it through the Steam side here. So there are like frame drops when you move around a bit. So what I'm going to do is just turn off the motion blur. And what I'm also going to do is turn the render resolution down slightly. We can see kind of the frame drops here on the side with this graph. It's not too bad considering we're running the Windows version of this game on the Steam Deck on Linux. So anyway, I hope you found this video useful. I've got lots of other videos like this on my YouTube channel, so please check it out. If you like the video, please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.